Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best leather square ottoman on the market, the Tbfit Large Square Storage Ottoman Bench. This piece is a perfect blend of style, function, and comfort, making it an ideal addition to any living room, bedroom, or playroom. Right out of the box, the Tbfit Ottoman impresses with its generous dimensions. Measuring 35.5 inches in length and width, and standing at 18.5 inches tall, it offers ample surface space and storage capacity. The brown PU leather upholstery gives it a sleek, modern look that fits well with a variety of decor styles, especially those leaning toward mid-century modern aesthetics. The button-tufted design on the cushioned lid adds a traditional touch of elegance, while the rivet detailing around the edges brings in a subtle retro vibe. This ottoman is more than just a stylish accent piece. It's built for multi-functional use. The sturdy solid wood legs and engineered wood frame support up to 300 pounds, making it stable and durable enough to double as extra seating when guests arrive. Its soft, high-density sponge cushion on the lid invites you to kick up your feet after a long day. It also functions brilliantly as a coffee table. Place a tea tray on top, and it becomes a perfect spot for drinks and snacks without sacrificing comfort. One of the standout features is the oversized storage space inside. By simply lifting the upholstered lid, which stays open thanks to durable hinges, you gain access to a large compartment perfect for storing blankets, pillows, toys, magazines, or anything else you want to keep neatly out of sight but within easy reach. This is a great solution for maintaining a tidy living area without sacrificing style. Assembly is required, and while the ottoman is solidly constructed, putting it together does take some time and care due to the solid wood legs and frame. However, once assembled, it's a robust piece that will last for years. The entire ottoman weighs about 57 pounds, reflecting its substantial build quality. Caring for this ottoman is straightforward. The PU leather surface is easy to clean. A simple wipe with a dry cloth keeps it looking fresh and new. This low-maintenance aspect adds to its appeal, especially for busy households. In summary, the Tbfit Large Square Storage Ottoman Bench stands out for its combination of large storage capacity, comfortable cushioned seating, and elegant design. Whether you want to declutter your living room, add extra seating, or simply have a chic coffee table alternative, this ottoman covers all bases. It's a versatile and practical choice that brings a warm, refined look to your space. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you're looking for a high-quality leather square ottoman with plenty of storage and style, the Tbfit is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product insights.